Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Frise and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information, and today's video is about whether or not non-stick cookware is safe to use. I don't know why everyone is always suspicious of kitchen appliances that make our lives easier. Microwaves, air fryers, and now non-stick cookware. The boldest claim going around is that non-stick cookware causes cancer. Is this true? Does it cause any other health issues? Let's have a look. What separates a non-stick pan from a regular one? The former one has a special coating applied to it. This coating is called PTFE, and all you need to know about it is that it makes any surface smooth and easy to clean. Also, most important to note, it is non-toxic. It doesn't react in any way with the food that you cook on it, which is why it's non-stick in the first place. In fact, even if you do end up swallowing a couple pieces of this PTFE coating, which sometimes can happen if you've been using a metallic scrub to your pans, it doesn't interact with anything in your intestines. It passes through your system without causing any kind of trouble. So non-stick pans are benign, harmless devices that seem to make cooking easier. Their upkeep is fairly simple too. Don't use a metallic scrub on it and use silicone spatula so that the PTFE layer doesn't break down. If they are so safe, where do these cancer claims and hormonal disruptor claims come from? Well, everything in moderation is good, and so it is with non-stick cookware. If you heat non-stick pans to above 260 degrees Celsius, this can cause the PTFE layer to start disintegrating, which will cause fumes, which then can cause shortness of breath, fatigue, and these fumes can be carcinogenic. But guys, 260 degrees is a really high temperature. The food that we cook on a regular basis doesn't need such high temperature to cook, and so we never reach this high temperature. In fact, if you did cook at such a high temperature, the food that you were cooking would burn before even the PTFE layer does, and that would have issues of its own. Medium heat is best for all-purpose cooking, and at these lower temperatures, non-stick cookware is perfectly safe to use. In fact, its non-stick nature allows us to use less cooking fat like oil and ghee in food preparation, and this may be helpful for some people looking to manage excess fat intake and weight. Now, you don't want to use non-stick cookware when you are doing high temperature cooking, like when you are searing meat. Here, the temperatures exceed 260 degrees, and this can damage your non-stick PTFE coating, so it's best avoided. Stainless steel pans or cast iron pans are best used for high temperature cooking. So to sum it up, non-stick cookware is perfectly safe for food and food dishes that require low to medium temperature for cooking. For high temperature cooking, use stainless steel and cast iron appliances. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel and share this video with others who will also find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below or simply reach out to me on Instagram. I hope to hear from you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.